Hello friends, welcome to my channel Umar's Learning Hub, and in our today's class or today's video we will learn about how to attempt and do advanced square root questions. How to attempt them. In previous classes, if you have watched my videos in previous classes, we have mostly done the we attempt the difficult advanced square root questions in a single square root which contains many square root, and those are very difficult. So this question is slightly easy from compared if we compare to those questions that we have done in our previous classes. So how to attempt this question? There are many different types of square root question, like this question or two three question those which we have attempted in previous classes. If you go through them, they will very help you in exams. So this question says square root of 50 plus square root of 18 minus square root of 8. How to solve them? Many people get confused in these type of questions. They can't attempt and they fail. They think of like many other methods which are unusual and they cannot be applied in these type of questions. So the easiest way to solve these type of questions is the time to watch this video. So how to solve them, we will go. So break each radical. Think and hear what I am saying. Break each radicand into a product of a perfect square and another number. So what I am saying, once more I am reading out. Break each radicand into a product of a perfect square root and another number. We will make it a individual. How? Let's go. First, we will take square root of 50. Okay? Square root of 50 first we are taking. Now, square root of 50, the rough working I am doing over here. The rough working. So that you don't get confused in attempting this question or analyzing this question. So square root of 50, we will take the LCM of square root of 50 first. I will tell you step by step how to solve it. So square root of 50, we will take the LCM of 50. So the smallest number will be divided by 50. So 2 25 is a 50, 5 5 is a 25, and 5 1s are 5. LCM, you know very well that you if you have learned in grade 3 to 5 LCM, which is easy. So we the common in 3. What is the common? 5 is the common because it is being repeated twice. So 5 is the common. So 5 will be written alone outside, and 2 would have a square root. This is how we will write in individual form. Individual. This is called the individual form. Now, same goes to square root of 18. Now I will do it quickly. Square root of 18. So the square root of 18 means the LCM of 18. 2 9s are 18. 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. So the common in them is 3 because it is being repeated twice. So 3 square root of 2. This is also in a individual form. Now comes the last one, square root of 8. Square root of 8, we will take the LCM of 8. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, and 2 1s are 2 in the end. Always remember that in LCM, 1 should be in the remainder. 1. 1. This 1 should be there. Always. If 1 is not coming, it means that your LCM is incorrect or you don't know how to take LCM. Okay? So, the common in them is 2. There are 3 trio 2s. 3 thrice 2 is coming. So, square root of means to the power of 2. If something is written in 3 square root of 3 square and have a square root. So, this square root is equal to the square root. This square number which is on the number and this square root. This square root will be cancelled by this and answer would be 3. Okay. So, always square root has a power of 2. So we will make a number twice. So 2 will be the common. 2 square root of 2. Now we will join the like terms. How we will join the like terms? 5 square root of 2. This plus will be written over here as it is. Then 3 square root of 2 minus 2 square root of 2. Now what we will do? We will see the square roots. Square root of what is common in how many terms are there? First I will ask the question. How many terms are there? 3 terms, 1 term, second term, third term. Another way to identify how many terms are there according to the signs. How many signs are there? 3 signs are there. No 2 signs. If there is nothing over here before 5, it means there is plus. So first sign, second sign and the third sign. Now the square roots 2 have their common. So we will write in a one place. So we will write bracket 5 plus 3 minus 2 square root of 2. Okay. 5 plus 3 minus 2 square root of 2. The numbers are being taken with their signs in one bracket and square root of 2 which is common in 3 of them is being written at alone one place. So 5 plus 3 is 8 and 8 minus 2 is 6. So 6 square root of 2 which is our final answer. Okay. 6 square root of 2. I hope that you have understand this question. A quick recap can be done. Square root of 50. If this type of question comes in your exams or and if you stuck that any of the method are not applying, so this is the easiest method to apply in these type of questions. A quick recap can be done. Square root of 50, we will take LCM, take common and write in this form. This is called the individual form. Same goes for 18 and square root of 8. Now if 3 forms are there, first form, first term, second term and the third term. Terms are always identified by the number of signs. How many signs are there? First sign, second sign with square root of 18 will be represented by 8 and square root of 8 will be represented by the negative sign. So there are 3 terms, so means 1 term will be the answer. So then we will write in our like terms, then we will add the 5 plus 8 minus 2 and square root of 2 will be written in one place and 6 square root of 2 if one term is coming, so it means that your answer is always correct. So this is how we will solve advanced square root of questions in just 1 or 2 minutes. So this is the easiest method to solve, and be updated for more interesting and advanced square root questions, so that you don't lag behind between ending of the questions and don't lose marks. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel Nomads Learning Hub, and don't forget, and if you felt this video amazing, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like it, and write in the comments how you felt this video, interesting, amazing, or enhance. Thank you.